good. You are in the good hands. Yes.
So next interview ko sa namin sa makita ng performance. Actually, she's from Tolosa.
Yes, I'm from Tolosa.
So this time, let's have an English language.
Yes. It's okay if you choice because you know what? I would like to say, I hope you understand my English because my English is assorted. Yes. Very assorted, pero my English is tama yun siya, nagkakagulo lang. Kayo na mag-a-adjust magpasok. Yes. But, consumable only. Yes.
So I only have some few questions. We prepared few questions.
Okay, but I don't have an answer.
Ikaw na bahala. Comment or mga messages mo?
Ano masasabi ko?
Pupunin ka na mas
We are not ikuan nila.
Adjust sa mas catering.
Okay,
okay. Sige, sit down.
Sit down.
Kasi ikaw ang sige namin.
Ikaw
Yes.
sila. Ikaw ka mga...
Hindi na ako okay. Napapagod ako na kayo. Papaikutin ko kayo mamaya.
Alright! So everyone,
Yes.
first picture. First picture.
Tagal
First
naman.
picture, please.
Hoy, projector. Tagal-tagal mo ha.
It's red one, red one.
Mas asa kaya dyan?
Yan.
Ano masasabi mo dyan?
Ay, kanya honor. Iibuti na lang ako. Ano ko napapagod.
Kasi comment about the picture. Let's go.
Lumaki po ako sa farm.
English! English!
I'm born again in pharmacy. Yes. And I am not passenger my schooling.
Saan daw pag
Yes,
live?
Alice Duo, yes. I don't know Alice Duo, I'm not knowing that person, but I can see in social media, TikTok, Facebook, but never mind. Okay. Yes, kasi mas may kinakain sila kaysa sa akin, kaya ay kung humusgaan ng mga tao may kinakain.
Correct naman. Sige, sige. How about next picture?
Ikaw din na ako.
Next picture?
Hindi ako na nakukita. Oh my God! May inay. Yes, Aling Rina is my mother in social media. She is a very nice and we have a very, very good heart and heart attack. I'm very happy because Ina is a big help to my life. So she is the reason I can provide to naluti nga. Kaya alam ka, may umaga ng signal. She can advising me about how to prioritize your family planning. Yes.
Okay, how about the next picture?
Oh my God. Yeah, si Diwata. May kasama ako nandun pamilya ni Kapang. Yawa naman ang sila. Si Yawa. Yawa ng Tacloban.
So what do you say about Diwata?
Diwata, friend kami sa TikTok niyan, pero never meet pa in person. But when I show in Manila, I visit her in a place, Diwata Paris, wala siya doon, nag-rest in peace na daw. So kaya, sayang yung pinamasahe namin, umuwi na lang kami.
Okay, so we have to...
Oo.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, maybe next time, get there soon, Diwata.
How about the next picture?
Oh my God. Buhay pa yan, ha? Ayaw magtaka. That's my mother.
Yes.
Yes, my mother is the reason why I'm here right now in the global warming. Yes, my mother is, we have a lot of experience. We have a lot of bullying. Marami nanguhusga, ngunit lumalaban sa buhay. Nung dumating yung time na sa dami nanguhusga, nanlalait sa nanay ko, minsan pinahiyak ko na siya. Pinahiyak ko na siya na siya yung nanay ko. Hanggang hindi na ako napag-aral, hindi na ako natapos. But I can handle myself. Nag-i-English na namin. Yes. But so that's why, kinahiya ko nga ng nanay ko, ngayon proud na proud ako sa kanya kasi nakakalipad na siya.